Comeng's train on the down Craigieburn service. (437M). (1069). (336, 340). (1022). And 339M on the rear on the down Craigieburn train. Comeng departing platform 2 at Tottenham. Yeah, platform 2. 543M. 1122T. 544M. 496M. 1098T and 495M on the down Water Gardens. Comeng train on the up Flinders Street service via the City Loop. It is a Tuesday. Normally trains go back to the city owners do not go via the loop because it's a Saturday timetable today. They're running by the City Loop into Flinders. Comeng's train running back empty to the Melbourne Yards or to Flinders. The train running empty back to the yards or to Flinders empty. This is the train going to Water Gardens, or no, this is a Sunbury train, this one. I think we'll go on the next Flinders Street back to Flinders, nothing coming through. No. Won't be a chance to at least 2 hours. Just finish on scene. Coming up on the broad gauge in the up direction, yeah. Isn't the Kington's Bell? It's so knackered today. This is the train heading to Seymour Station. Seven 004. Velocity on the down at Geelong or Bacchus Marsh service or Bendigo train. Tottenham station. It's a 3-car train. BL37 going to Lawn Ponds. Down Vline service on the broad gauge track at Tottenham. And a metro I can see in the background as well. But won't film the metro because it looks like a Simmons. BL22 Bendigo up train, no, the Bendigo down train I should say. The up train coming through on the broad gauge. Velocities, that's why the new ones as well, second gen Velocities leaving. BL80